If you are looking to open up a safe, secure truck parking facility and offer truck parking, long-term and overnight services, listen up, this video is for you. This is how we do it here at Truck Parking. We have 125 spots here at this facility and we charge $350 a month per space. We also have 10 dedicated spots for overnight. We charge $35 a night. We fill up every night. At this property here, we're making over $44,000 a month. If you want to learn more and you want to know how we do it and what tools we use to be successful,